Today, I look like Mr. Rogers. You remember that show growing up, Mr. Rogers? Nice guy, dressed up, kind of made fun of him at first because like, oh, Mr. Rogers, you think you're cool. But you know what? Mr. Rogers was on to something. It's all about perception. It's all about how you dress. It's all how you act. Because if you look like a thug, you're going to be treated like a thug. You may not be a thug. People perceive you the way you look, the way you dress, the way you talk. So Mr. Rogers, even though he was a preppy individual at the time, and you may have been in this certain phase in your life that you made fun of Mr. Rogers, myself included, you realize that that's the image that you need to carry in order to society to accept you. Right or wrong, that's just the way it is. If you want to portray a professional image, you gotta act professional. If you want to portray a image of a good standing member, you gotta look like an image from good standing member. If you want to portray an image that you're a gang member, well, one, that's not a great idea. And two, you're gonna have unnecessary issues and headaches from law enforcement officer, even though you may not be that person. So dress to whatever you want the world to see in your life will be easier, less stress, and you get a lot more respect.